Hello, kids! This is Teacher Heidi, your online learning buddy. Today, we're going to practice reading short stories with comprehension check. Are you ready? Let's start. The Helpful Ant. Amy the ant was walking near the river. She saw her friend stuck in the mud. Her friend was crying and could not move. Amy wanted to help her. Amy looked around for something to use. She found a big green leaf nearby. She pushed the leaf toward her friend. Her friend held onto it tightly. Amy pulled and pulled with all her strength. Slowly, her friend came out of the mud. They both felt very happy. Her friend thanked Amy with a big smile. Amy felt warm and proud inside. She was glad she helped her friend. They walked home together happily. They promised to always help each other. Moral of the story: helping others makes you happy. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where was Amy the ant walking when she saw her friend? A. Near the river. B. Inside a house. C. In the classroom. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Near the river. Question number 2. What problem did Amy's friend have? A. She was hungry. B. She was lost. C. She was stuck in the mud. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. She was stuck in the mud. Question number 3. What did Amy use to help her friend? A. A leaf. B. A stick. C. A rock. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A, a leaf. Question number 4. What did Amy do to save her friend? A, she called for help. B, she walked away. C, she pulled her out. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is C, she pulled her out. Question number 5. How did they feel after the friend was saved? A, happy. B, angry. C, scared. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A, happy. The lost puppy. Ben was walking home from school. He heard a small sound near the road. It was a little puppy crying loudly. The puppy looked scared and lost. Ben gently picked up the puppy. He looked around to find its owner. He asked people nearby if they knew the puppy. No one knew where it came from. Ben walked around the neighborhood. Soon, a woman came running and calling. She was looking for her missing puppy. The puppy wagged its tail when it saw her. The woman thanked Ben with a smile. Ben felt happy for helping. The puppy licked his hand. Ben waved goodbye and went home. Moral of the story: always help those in need. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. What did Ben hear while walking home? A, a loud song. B, a puppy crying. C, a car horn. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B, a puppy crying. Question number 2. Where did Ben find the puppy? A, in his house. B, near the road. C. In school. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. Near the road. Question number 3. What did Ben do when he found the puppy? A. He helped it find its owner. B. He ignored it. C. He kept it. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. He helped it find its owner. Question number 4. Who came looking for the puppy? A. A teacher. B. A boy. C. A woman. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. A woman. Question number 5. How did the puppy show it was happy? A. It slept. B. It wagged its tail. C. It ran away. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. It wagged its tail. Thank you for watching, kids. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone.